This machine is a FENIX 75. This machine has 7.5 meters in x-axis, 3 meters in vertical axis, and in longitudinal axis 1.5 meters.
So I'm here on the Correa stand at A&B to talk with Nacho about this really impressive machine behind us. So what is this machine?
This machine is a FENIX 75. This machine has 7.5 meters in x-axis, 3 meters in vertical axis, and in longitudinal axis 1.5 meters.
Yeah. So it's a really big machine. It can really go into any sector.
Yeah, it can be in any sector, automotive, capital goods, everything, energy, everything.
So I see you're actually a bit limited, aren't you, at the show with your axis, with the cage. So is that just for safety reasons?
Yes, it's for safety reasons. We have to be inside the box, and we have only 2.5 meters in x-axis, 1.5 meters in vertical axis only.
So the videos you'll see on this machine are actually, the machines had to be really downsized just for safety reasons. But there's another great thing you're doing with this machine as well while you're at A&B, and that's you're using the arm at full length and at short just to show the cutting pressures.
Yeah, we brought a porcupine tool. It is 80 millimeters diameter, and we try to cut 40 millimeters depth of cut and 15 millimeters in the side. So we try to show to the people, all our customers, how the machine behaves with the ram completely out, going in, and then we also with the ram fully extended, going down in vertical axis, and drilling also with a drill 50 millimeters diameter. We drill with the ram completely out, and we try to show everybody how strong is the machine.
So really you're showing that this machine is so rigid that even with the arm completely extended, they can do any of the processes you'd need to, which is great. And then you're also doing some other features on this machine while at A&B as well.
We have to say that this is one of our smallest machines, traveling column machines. Axia is even better, and Magna is much better.
So this is one of the smaller machines, so I guess for the bigger machines we'd need another hole just to fit it in.
Of course we need.
So can you just tell me about the tool carousel, because you can actually see it from behind us.
Yeah, in this case we have 60 tools in this carousel, and we can make tool change because we can open the limits to change the tools, because as I have said, we cannot use the full vertical axis while working, but then we open the limits and we make tool change. We can make tool change if we want.
So can you tell me more about the head on this machine?
Yeah, that's another feature of the machine, and that is another thing we want to show, because the UAD head is our main head, our strongest head, and we show not only how strong is the machine, it's also the head, because we have indexing 0.02 degrees of resolution, and the head is very, very strong, and that's why we want to show also the porcupine tool.